Picture a vessel that isn't merely a container, it's a statement piece, a pourer of perfection, and a stylish complement to your culinary space. The Infused Joy is your partner, turning every drizzle and pour into a harmonious experience. Let's pour over the design, for the Infused Joy culinary oil vessel isn't just a bottle. It's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its sleek and modern design makes it a standout addition to your kitchen decor. The vessel isn't just a dispenser for oils, it's an intelligently designed pourer that elevates your culinary artistry. It's not just an oil bottle, it's an aesthetic upgrade to your kitchen's elegance. But what truly sets the Infused Joy apart is its precision pouring. This culinary oil vessel doesn't just pour, it does so with controlled grace. The spout is designed for a smooth and drip-free pour, allowing you to add just the right amount of oil to your dishes. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the airtight cap preserves the freshness of your oils. It's not just an oil bottle, it's a pourer of perfection. Versatility is the Infused Joy culinary oil vessel's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to one type of oil, it adapts to your diverse culinary needs. The transparent design allows you to easily identify the contents, while the sleek silhouette adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen countertop. The vessel is suitable for olive oil, sesame oil, infused oils, or any liquid you wish to dispense with precision. It's not just an oil bottle, it's a multitasking marvel. Application is a breeze with the Infused Joy culinary oil vessel. No need for complex instructions or a background in culinary arts. The user-friendly design ensures that you can effortlessly control the pour, making it easy to add flavor to your dishes or salads without the mess. The anti-drip spout and comfortable grip provide a seamless experience, turning your oil dispensing into a refined and precise operation. It's not just an oil bottle, it's an easy upgrade to a world of controlled culinary artistry. But what about durability? The Infused Joy doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, it withstands the demands of daily kitchen use. The stainless steel spout and airtight cap ensure that your oil vessel remains a reliable pourer of perfection, preserving the freshness and flavor of your culinary oils. Thanks for watching. Remember to like,